Hello, this is Stacy from Truly Majestic, and today we're going to finger crochet a puff stitch. You can see in this cowl, the puff stitch is a kind of cluster of a bunch of strands all together in one place. It's fun for blankets, hats, scarves, and many other things, and it is so easy to do. You should already have a loop on your finger, and we're going to yarn over to immediately make a new stitch. Go into whatever stitch we're knitting, grab the yarn, pull it through, another yarn over, and then we're going to go into the exact same stitch again and pull the yarn through the back of it. And then you can do this as many times as you want. I'm only doing 6 here, but you can do it 9, 20, whatever your pattern calls for. And then you pull your yarn through all of these loops and then kind of tack it off with one chain stitch at the top. So let's do that. We just simply put a chain at the very top of this, and that's it. You can find the video tutorial for this puff stitch cowl in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video and it's helped, please leave a comment. This lets me know that you're enjoying my stuff and it gives me motivation to make more things. Thanks for subscribing and watching, and I'll see you later.